दिल से होता है।
दिल से ना, मैं तो दिल से सोचती हूँ।
मलिका, ये लोग मुझे चिल्ला रहे हैं पीछे से।
क्यों? मैं भी दिल से ही सोचती हूँ।
Yeah, Malika, I want to ask you, what has been the role of man in your personal and professional life so far?
Role of men in my personal and professional?
Yeah.
Very good question. I mean, I've met some really fabulous men in my life.
Thank you.
Who've had a big hand in shaping my destiny and shaping my personality, influencing me, and helping me reach where I am through their guidance, through their love, through their friendship. And the biggest influence has been my brother, who's the most important man in my life.
Hi, Malika.
Just wanted
Hello.
to know that, since you said every time that you guys are, stressing on this point that it is not scripted. Okay, we agree it is not scripted. What do you say about the edit? Many times there are so many complaints, like Rakhi Ka Swayamvar and a lot of other shows which came before it. The contestants had, later when the show ended, they all ended up complaining, you know what, mera edit barabar nahi hua. It was just made for the high, making of the TRPs and stuff. What do you feel about it? Do you think that 24 hours, obviously they're going to deduct some content and they're going to put it on air?
See, that's not in my hand. As an actor, I did my job. Now, what the producer does with it, what the network does with it, what the editor does with it, I have no control over it.
There's your image which is going with it. There is Malika Sherawat, the image, the actor, the person who is, getting her, choosing her, the desirable person. So, don't you feel that it's somewhere down the line also attached to the image that you carry?
I absolutely agree, but again, there are some things which are not in my hand. It's not a one-man army. I mean, I've trusted the channel and I trust them, and I'm sure they'll do what is the best for the show.
So, as
आपको नहीं लगता अगर आप इतनी चूजी हो गई रोल्स को लेकर, firstly want to know what is challenging for you, for Malika. Secondly, अगर आप इतनी चूजी हो जाएंगी रोल्स को लेकर, तो बॉलीवुड से तो मतलब पैकअप करना पड़ेगा and you'll have to stay back here in television. Don't you think so?
अगर आप मेरा करियर शुरू से देखेंगे ना, तो मैंने कम फिल्में की हैं, लेकिन जो भी फिल्में की हैं ना, उनमें चाहे मेरा रोल बड़ा हो, छोटा हो, अच्छा हो, बुरा हो, लेकिन वो मेरा रोल था. और मैंने करियर के बहुत पहले शुरुआत में मुझे ये भट्ट साहब ने बताया था कि सोने को छूने से ना तुम सोना नहीं बन जाओगी. तो मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है किसी हीरो में पिगी बैक करने का कि हीरो की फिल्म हो. अभी कितनी लोग बोलते हैं मेरी ये फिल्म हिट है, मेरी वो फिल्म हिट है. वो कहाँ से होगी? वो तो हीरो की फिल्म है. आपने क्या किया उसमें? 4 गाने गाए, ग्लैमरस दिखी. ऐसे रोल मुझे नहीं करने. मेरे लिए छोटी फिल्में ठीक है जहाँ पे परफॉर्मेंस का स्कोप है. Doesn't matter. Even if it's a flop, it's my flop. I'll live with it.
So are you trying to say Malika अब सिर्फ women-centric films करेंगी and she won't dance around trees?
I have always tried to do women-centric films. I've always tried. If you look at Pyar Ke Side Effects, even if you look at Ugly Pugly, Maan Gaye Mughal Azam, Murder, they were all female-centric films.
And when do we see your next official announcement of your next Bollywood film?
Dirty Politics, it's already been announced.
Gentleman there was trying to ask a question several times.
Mic, DJ, please. Can somebody give him the mic, please?
Last question.
हेलो.
Last question, please.
आप लव मैरिज एंड अरेंज मैरिज दोनों में से क्या प्रेफर करती हैं? सेकेंडली, आपको एक्टिंग दिखाने का मौका मिलेगा इस सीरियल में, एपिसोड्स में कहीं इमोशंस?
I prefer love marriages to arranged.
Thank you.
And this show is about being real. Acting का तो सवाल ही नहीं आता.
नहीं, कुछ दिखाने का इमोशंस वगैरह फूल लेते देते समय.
तो जैसी मैं रियल में हूँ, रियल लाइफ में, वैसी शो में भी हूँ.
ओके.
Hi Malika. Hi. Here. आपके सामने